Alright guys, today we are going to till up these raised garden beds. I already raked all the straw off of them and placed it into the compost. I don't have another compost bin yet to flip this one over, so I'm just gonna go ahead and till these without any compost on top. Would have been better if I could have tilled in some compost soil, but I'll probably till it one more time and till in some compost. There's one down, 3 to go. All 4 beds are done. Probably till it one more time with some compost before we plant.